Hi guys, welcome back. Well, I've made a start on the propane furnace, and I've had this old, I believe it's a fire rated motor, probably about 15-20 hours when it was running. This came with an old compressor that I bought, and I never had any intention of reusing this, and it was going to go to the scrap. But having struggled with the heat treating oven, getting up to temperature took about 12 hours. I've decided to build a propane furnace, and I thought this would be a ideal piece to use as the main body. I've really been struggling getting, I don't know if it's pronounced starter or stator or stator, it's the internal windings, and I just about managed to lift it up onto the milling table. I've got the table at its lowest point, and even with a big machine like this I'm struggling trying to get the windings out. But this is about the third day I've been messing with it. I'm determined today the thing's coming out. I've been drilling through with a large drill, and then one of my roughing end mills taking most of it out. But because it's made up of individual pieces, there must be 100, 200 in there, it's really difficult to machine. But as I say, I'm determined the thing's coming out today. I'm just going to machine down through the top. I've no idea how these have been put together. The windings are that compact and tight. I've no idea how they've been put together. When I first started to look at it, I cut most of the copper windings out that I could reach, and discovered that this outer piece has a slot. I don't know if you can make that out on the camera. Has a slot, and there was an aluminium wedge been driven in, presumably to expand it. This piece is recessed into a lip that's in the cast itself. So I thought if I drill that out it might compress a bit and just reduce the diameter for it to slide out, but no way, no chance. So I've drilled that out as far as I can, no joy, so I've just ended up monstering it out. Now let me just adjust the camera. Yeah, I've been watching a few videos online and watching people make the propane torch, and looked on eBay and decided it's just not worth messing around trying to make one. By the time I'd sourced all the materials and had a trip out and machined all the pieces, this is one I bought off eBay, about 30 quid, and this is a piece of stainless. So I mean, just buying a length of stainless, it's only about 4 inches long. It'd cost more in buying a long length of stainless than what I could get the complete torch for. I expected another thread on the inside of this because it's 1 1/4 to 3/4 reducer, but it looks as though the thread's been machined out. There's 2 8mm holes been drilled and tapped, so that I built a mounting bracket for that, and then the gas valve and air regulator just screw through that end. So as I say, for 30 quid it's not worth messing around with. And once I've got all the windings out, I intend lagging it with some of this thermal insulation, this fire blanket, on the outside first, and then I'm going to line the inside with these fire bricks that I've got. Cut these and chamfer them and try and give me as much internal space as possible. But I'm going to carry on machining this out. As I say, the thing's definitely coming out today. Got it worried now, guys. Well guys, I've decided I'm going to use this fire cement to stick the bricks together with. It's Bostik cement tone fire cement. Repairs to fire bricks, internal flue pipes, solid fuel heaters and boilers. Resistant to temperatures up to 1250 degrees C. Dries like cement when exposed to heat. This is a ready mixed paste. Well, up to now, guys, I've been trying to remove these cooling fins the machinist way, but I've still got quite a lot to do, so I may revert back to the bricklayer method. Just a quick update, guys. The aluminium tooth, 52 tooth gear that I cut, I've taken another pass with the gear cutter. I didn't think it was quite deep enough, but I'm happy with that now, so that's good to go. That's the number 1 moist taper arbor that I made for it, and I was saying that if I was cutting steel or cast, I'd probably go on to a number 2, so I've made a number 2 arbor, moist taper number 2, and then while I was looking through the drawer with the drills in, I've come across a number 3 arbor that will do. It's a number 3 moist with a straight shank. So I've got a number 1, a number 2 and a number 3 now, so I think I'm covered with that. I've also been resisting the temptation to wear the bling when I've been machining.